Welcome to J Has Heart.
You got it? Come on, you're for Jamaica. I can! Come on, baby. Come on! I felt that. I felt that. Give it to me again. Give it to me again. I can!
It's quite motivational for the children because you actually captivated their attention. They actually sat and they listened. And most of them, especially the older ones, they understood. So I think it has been inspirational for them. I think they have gathered things from it that they can use.
Yeah, here we are. Dream Big Day, Antigua. Oh, I am so excited for today. Today we get to speak to primary school students here in St. John's, Antigua. Super excited about that. I want to share that the work that we do is kingdom work. This ain't for the people that don't believe. This ain't for the people that sit on the sidelines and talk. These are for the people that go inside the trenches, that are working with our young people around the world to inspire them to dream big. Here we are today. Today, what you're going to see, you're going to see us at this wonderful school here. See, this school, it's called Manoa Magnet Academy. And I am super excited to be here. From Dr. Greg to Mrs. Smith to every student and staff member here, I am super excited to be here. Today is a day where we talk about dreaming big, where we talk about how to do your best, and when we talk about the power in faith. So if you're ready, I know I am. Let's get it. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. What's up, kid? What's up, kid? All right. All right. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Jabari Hall.
Welcome to J Has Heart.
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 Welcome to J Has Heart.